Hey guys, welcome back. What we've got now are two that could possibly come up, and they are frequently there just to make sure you're paying attention. This one right here is a 1 by 3. This is a 3 by 1. They do not match up in terms of adding and subtracting. So this would simply be not possible. Have to be exactly the same size. This one is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 3. Okay, these didn't match up either place. Okay, they're not possible. These matched up with the same number of rows, but your columns don't match. So this would not be possible either. And the last one here, these are simply more scalar multiplication. So you will turn these in for this assignment. I'm going to actually put an assignment on your notes page this time. So you don't click mark done, you're going to actually have to turn something in. So I will see you later.